As the first Māori station to go to air in 1987, Te Upoko o Te Ika has a special place as a kahukura of iwi broadcasting. They consistently promote Māori values and a non-violence kaupapa in their mahi. As the only station broadcasting the local club rugby matches, their decision to suspend the popular E Tū Whānau footy show when off-field violence contradicted these values was tika and courageous.
Kia ora rai tiwi, kei te whakarongo koutou ki tō tātou taonga Te Upoko o Te Ika. Te Upoko Te Ika began as a pilot station in the early 1980s, around about 1983. Eventually in 1987 we got a license to run 7 days a week, and it's been our pleasure to take some of these iconic moments to the ears and to the eyes sometimes of our whānau that follow Te Upoko o Te Ika. At the moment, Te Upoko has the E Tū Whānau footy show, which runs every Saturday. We do club rugby. We actually announce the games to as many new ears and to new audiences as we can. The future for Te Upoko o Te Ika looks bright. It looks like we're going to be multi-platform, and we're going to take our messages and our kaupapa of te reo and all of the values that our tipuna shared with us, including the E Tū Whānau values, forward into the future for generations to come.